Good morning to one and all gathered here. I'm Akanksha and I welcome you all for today's news. I'll begin with international news. US UK forces shoot down Houthi missiles drone in Red Sea. Scientists have used a very